Hello, everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. I want to discuss an opportunity that I've been with since September of 2017 that has earned me a full-time income online. And I'm sharing this opportunity with others, letting people know that it is possible to earn a full-time income online. I'm looking to inspire people to start a full-time business, to stay committed to the process that it takes to earn a full-time income and showing them the way. So I put together a group called the Freedom Takers, and what I do is I literally take the business that I'm involved in and I break it down so that people understand exactly what to do step by step in order to start earning a full-time income. And it's not really that hard. What you have to have is a business that works, that's been around for a while. You have to have traffic, and you have to know how to follow up. If you have those three things, you can be extremely successful online. So I'm going to show some proof of the money that I've made utilizing this program. It's an affiliate program. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I'm going to invite you to become a part of the Freedom Takers group, and then you can contact me if you have any questions. But what I love about this is that it's extremely newbie friendly, and it's a way for people to start earning fast. Okay, so when I say earning fast, basically once your funnel is set up, which I can do for you when you come in at the higher levels, or you can pay $50 and have your funnel set up for you. It's a one-time payment. You can start running traffic to that funnel, and because the funnel is high converting, the sales page is high converting, you're going to start earning commissions pretty fast based on those traditional programs that you may be a part of that's taking a very long time to earn with. And that's what normally happens. People get involved in affiliate marketing or other companies, and because it takes them so long to start earning commissions, they lose hope and they give up. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to make it where people can start earning commissions as quickly as possible and turning those commissions into making more commissions, pretty much leveraging the opportunity, scaling up to earn a full-time income. And that's what it's about. It's about taking a percentage of what you earn, pumping it back into your business until you get to where you need to be within your business. So this is my Facebook page. If you would like to be my friend, you can send me a friend request. And here there's also information about what it is that I do. Going into my account, it is called the Power Lead System. The Power Lead System has been around for at least 10 years, and it's been a way for people to earn a full-time income from home. The Power Lead System is a lead generation magnet. It shows you how to get traffic. It gives you a funnel that you can use for a business you may already have, or you can just promote the Power Lead System. Most people, they need traffic for their business. Well, everyone, if you're online, you need traffic. And you need a funnel that people can go through and get information on a regular basis about your opportunity. And that's what's going to allow people to connect with you and become a part of your business. So going into my account for the Power Lead System, the commissions that I've earned last week, so far this week, I'm at $365, and a week started off yesterday. Okay. And this is running cold traffic to my link. Okay, so what I'm doing is I purchase a certain amount of traffic, I get a certain amount of clicks, and from those clicks, I get a certain amount of people that sign up. Okay, and I'm going to show you that as well. Last week alone, I made $2,556 for the week. Okay, they have different levels that you can come in at. The gold being the lowest level, you have the diamond level, which is 147. You have the platinum level, which is $497, and then you have the Master Traffic Institute, which is $1497. Okay, of course, the Master Traffic Institute allows you to bring in $1,000 commissions, $200 overrides. The platinum level allows you to bring in $400 commissions, the diamond level $100 commissions, and the gold level you're bringing in $20 residual commissions. Okay, the week before that, I earned $3,400 in commissions. Okay, and again, you know, at these different levels, you're going to bring in a certain amount of commissions for the people that join your business. And you're running traffic, and the people that join are the people that sign up through the traffic that you're running to your link. Okay, we do get paid every single Wednesday from this business opportunity. And the week starts over every single Sunday. Okay, so when we're speaking about clicks and people that are signing up with you, okay, you're going to start to get emails, and the emails is going to come from Priceless Possibilities, which is the people that come into your funnel. So like right here, it says 90 people, 90, number 90. That is the amount of people that clicked on my capture page, and I captured their email address through the link that I provided for my clicks. Okay. Diamond members, like I said, those are $100 commissions. Fast start bonuses are $400 commissions. Gold are 20. And you know, these are the commissions that come in on a consistent basis as long as you pump in traffic. What I tell people to do is start to pump traffic on a budget, what you can afford, and scale up as you make more money with the product. Okay, so it's really that simple. To earn a full-time income online is not hard to do. The results are not typical, but you can gain these results if you are good at following directions, you stay committed to the process, and you pump traffic to your link. Okay, so if you want more information about this program, you can click on the description below. It will take you to my link. And if you want to reach out to me, that information is also in the description below. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, can you please subscribe? I will really appreciate it, and then you'll be able to follow my results through the months and years that go by of how I'm doing with the Power Lead system. Okay, so thanks so much for watching my video. Stay inspired, start a home-based business, learn how to earn a full-time income utilizing affiliate marketing, because it's one of the easiest things to do, and it allows you to build momentum way faster than you would with an average traditional home-based business, okay, or online business. So thanks again, guys, and have a great night.